Capital markets have long since hung on every word of analyst calls. Forecasts can change and markets will move, but technology is now enhancing human analysis. AI-powered natural language processing means every word is logged and tracked, quarter after quarter and year after year. The resulting datasets help map trends and reveal themes, plotting their rise and fall over time, and analysing a narrative that shows capital markets where management priorities really lie. UBS collects, analyses, and contextualizes this data across thousands of companies. We believe that insights from this are particularly relevant as the corporate sustainability story evolves. There is a growing overlap between the equity story and the sustainability narrative of companies. Capital markets are seeking to understand that confluence through the lens of materiality, as regulatory, stakeholder, and public scrutiny inexorably grows. The focus on ESG factors is changing industry cost curves, impacting analyst forecasts, driving risk appetite, and altering companies' narratives. This second phase of ESG is more complex than a rating and requires an increasingly thoughtful approach from corporates. Language in earnings calls help set expectations. The corporate sustainability narrative must come from the CEO and CFO. Be ambitious, authentic, and increasingly auditable. It must address the importance of all stakeholders, not just shareholders. Our analysis examines these stories and the risks created by their telling. There is a clear opportunity for companies to be proactive with this narrative, taking all stakeholders on a sustainability journey from a simple rules-led approach to a more qualitative, quantitative, and impactful story. By itself, the data is not the answer, but it does enable a different conversation and a level of understanding. Telling the ESG story in an authentic, impactful way is more than a nice to have. Asset pricing and access to capital is driven by a combination of fundamentals, narrative, and risk appetite.